I did some research on the women's Christian niche. I took a look at hoodies. This one that says motherhood is my ministry is doing $4,294 per month. This one that says faith over fear is doing $6,420 a month. And this one that says daughter of the king is doing $5,854 per month. So if you're a small t-shirt brand making under $10,000 a month, make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm gonna show you how to capitalize for your family during hoodie season. We're gonna do the market research to see what's selling. I'm gonna show you the AI prompts to come up with fresh new ideas. And then I'm gonna show you how to create AI t-shirt designs and hoodies that you could be able to sell to your customer base. If you snooze, you lose. Let's go ahead and get into it. Wait, before we move forward, I just found this template that says the demonic paradise great Satan. Man, you know I'm the remix king, and if it's anything that I can do, I can take something that's evil and turn it into good. So also in this video, I'm gonna use this template. I'm gonna sprinkle it with the blood of Jesus. We're gonna take something that represents Satan, and by the end of this video, we're gonna spread the glory of God. All praises to the Most High. All right, T-Shirt Millionaires. So the first question I ask myself is, what is already selling in the marketplace? And one of the best websites to go to for this is Etsy. Now, when I went to Etsy, I chose the Christian women's hoodies niche, and you can see if I scroll down the page, we have rows and rows of different hoodies that are related to women and then also Christianity. So the question you need to be asking yourself is, what are the keywords related to your niche or your target audience? So as another example, I typed in men's basketball hoodies up top, and then as I scroll down, you see rows and rows of these products related to those keywords. Now, I found a lot of great designs in the women's Christian niche, but I also want to know which designs are the ones that are making money. So what I ended up doing is taking my research tool, and it shows me all the different products that are on the page and how much revenue and sales they're getting per month. So if I was to scroll down and I took a look at this daughter of the king, this is where I see that they're making $5,854 per month. If I scroll down a little further, I see this boho Christian shirt. This is making $9,788 per month. And then right below it, I see faith over fear, and this is making $6,420 per month. So if you're picking up what I'm putting down, I think it would be wise for you to do your research before you start designing. So the tool that I'm using is called Everbee. And if you go below this video, click my affiliate link, it'll take you to their website. You can sign up for a free account to check it out and start doing your niche research. Now make sure you stay to this next part, fam. I'm about to give you an AI prompt that's super powerful, that's gonna take your t-shirt designs to the next level. And if you finding value from this video, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and give me a comment. Let's move on to phase 2. So the next step I want you to take in this process is find a t-shirt design that's selling a lot but also looks good to you, and then let's go ahead and take that idea and figure out how we can create some new ideas based on the original seed. So in this example, I like this one that says daughter of the king, and then it has the Bible verse below it. Now this AI prompt is super powerful. I went over to tshirtmillionaires.ai, but feel free to go to ChatGPT as well. And I typed in, I saw a t-shirt that says daughter of the king. It had a Bible verse that said, who is not moved by the world, for my God is with me and goes before me. I do not fear because I am his. 2 Corinthians 16:8. Then this is the most important part. I said, this is a best-selling shirt. Give me other phrases and Bible verse combinations that I can use to create other shirts. Also possibly give me an image that I can pair with each verse. Now before we move on to the next step, I want you to realize that you can interchange these words. So instead of having it had a Bible verse, you can just say it had a slogan, right? And then you can go ahead and write out the slogan. And then when you get down here to the bottom where it says give me other phrases or Bible verse combinations, if yours isn't related to Christianity, you could just say give me other phrases or slogans and then enter. And this is where it gets powerful, family. It ended up giving me 5 combinations that each contain a phrase, a Bible verse, and also an image that can be all paired on a t-shirt design. This is crazy. So if you take a look at this, number 1, faith over fear, the Bible verse, and then the image is a courageous lion or a person facing a giant with faith. If I come down here to number 4, it says in his strength I rise, the Bible verse, first, and then it has a rising sun or a person with outstretched arms in a triumphant pose. Then after that, I just said, give me 5 more, man. Let me see what else you cooking with, and it gave me 5 more. So this is super powerful because now I have different ideas that I can use for new t-shirts, all based on what I ended up finding in Etsy previously. Now this is where we get creative. I went through all the phrases, all the Bible verses, and all the images, and decided to use 1 and then number 2. So the first one is light in the darkness, and for the image, it has a shining lighthouse or a candle illuminating the darkness. So what I ended up doing is going to my image generator within T-Shirt-Millionaires.ai, and I just started prompting and starting to get an understanding of different ideas I can use for a candle illuminating the darkness. And I had this whole theme of wanting to have a candle that was in the shape of a cross. And at the very end of it, I came up with these 3 designs that I really like, and they have a synthwave vibe. So I ended up choosing these for that first design. Then for number 2, we have fearfully and wonderfully made. And if we come down here and look at the image, we have a delicate flower, and at the very end of it, it says with vibrant colors radiating from within. So with that being said, I started prompting within T-Shirt-Millionaires.ai as well to figure out which of these flowers would I want to be able to use, and all of them are colorful, radiant, and vibrant as well. And at the very end of it, what I ended up doing is just coming over to Midjourney. I found a design style that I liked, and this was really my favorite, so I saved it for the design. You can take a look at this. It has the flowers, but in the background, you can kind of see it. It has a cross back there as well. So this one turned out pretty cool. It's time to address this whole demonic paradise great Satan thing. I said that I was gonna go ahead and remix it and turn it into something, and I did. So I came over to Kittl, I imported all my different graphics that I got from AI, and here's the first one. So if we take a look at this, we can see that it has the same layout, but instead it says rest in his peace, and it has the Bible verse down here at the bottom. And you can see over here it has John 14:27, which really stands out down there. Then I ended up making this one as well, to where it had the fearfully and wonderfully made. We ended up having the flowers with the cross behind it, and had the Bible verse down there. Then if we take a look at this, here's more of like a simplistic design with the fearfully and wonderfully made, something just real easy without any graphics. Also, we have this fearfully and wonderfully made. This is very minimalist, and I like it. It's really clean, and I like the browns that go with it. And then finally, we have this last one where it says light in the darkness, keep shining your light, and it has the Bible verse down at the bottom, and it has 3 candles that are shaped like a cross. So this is really cool, and this is how you can take images from Midjourney or for any AI tool, and then also mix them in with quotes, slogans, words, Bible verses from AI, and then you can create new t-shirt designs and put them on a platform like Etsy, or you can sell them on your Shopify store. All right, T-Shirt Millionaires, I hope that you found a lot of value from this and figured out ways that you could be able to run it up for hoodie season. Take these ideas, implement them, use the AI tools, and I promise you, you're gonna come up with magic that your customers want to buy. I truly appreciate it. Thank you for tapping in. If you can see it with your mind's eye, one day you're gonna be able to see it with your real eyes. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. I will see y'all on the next episode.